Welcome everyone. This is Will, KMac Vintage. Recording this video tonight is Friday, January 31st. It's about 8:20 p.m. here in Cayman. And what this video is about is not a new item that we're gonna be making available, but it's a upgrade to one that we've done, and it's been selling pretty well, and it's really made some things a lot easier for some people. But we've made it even easier now, and really improved on the product tremendously. As you all know, we came out with this item. This is the um, pizza box. This is the actually power up pizza box. It is a power supply replacement for the LC type power supplies. So any of the machines that's in a pizza box type that uses the same power supplies as the LC1, 2, 3, the LC475, and all those other ones. I mean, anyone that has this small form factor power supply that's in like one of these little cases, like actually this, and so forth. Um, we did this first version, which basically is the PCB, and then you buy this AC DC converter off of Amazon and attach it on here, and then you get a Pico ATX and plug that into here. Your AC power comes in from the plug into this side here. Then your Pico connects to here, which is the DC out, and then the Pico then supplies some of the voltages and things for the for the computer. And then we also have here, we make our own -5 volt rail on the board, because a lot of Picos do not have -5. Okay, then you take your harness from your old power supply and you unsolder it and you connect it here. So basically that's what this board was. Okay, and we've come up with a new version of this. Okay, and what we came up with is this guy. Isn't that a lot simpler? Don't mind these chips here. This is a 2CI that I'm going to start soldering tomorrow morning. I took all the chips off already. So this is a newer version of the same device, but there is no more Pico. We took two Meanwell AC DC converters, and we have that on here. One supplies your 12 volt, one supplies your 5 volts, and we still have your -5 being actually created right here. There's still a LED on it here, and then there's still a connection here if you want to connect like a USB pigtail cable, which is like one of these things. If you want to connect that here, you can easily connect that there, run it out the power supply, and you get 5-volt USB power inside your case. We made it very simple. There's a fuse on it. You connect your brown and your blue, and I'll show you that in a minute. Your brown and blue from the AC coming in, and it is fused. It goes to the mean wells, and then that then goes to your logic board or to here to supply the actually 5-volt, the -5 volt, and then it goes on there. So that's it, nothing else. And I can sell you these either as a bare bone board, and you source your own things, your mean wells. I can give you which ones we use. Right now I will have 3 of them available, maybe 4, because I have one here that I'm going to show you how it works. That is already connected, you see. So here's the power. Here's the power coming off of the switch. So your AC comes in, goes to the switch, and then from the switch it comes to the board. Okay. Now these here, I am making new cables. Okay. I just had to buy some thinner. I just had to buy some actually thinner cable, but there will be. And it's on island. I'm just waiting for it to clear customs and that. So then I do have these actually connectors new. So, and I have the crimping tools and everything for me to make my own cables. I made a cable here, but this wire is a little bit too thick, so I have the right one coming now. So this is one that I made, so you can see it's got a new connector. Um, it's got a very good connectors going into the board. So when I sell these, they will be complete. They'll have the two mean wells, the fuse, and a new cable on it. And then, uh, so if I can get more of these ends, okay, I need to get more of them. I don't have that many right now, but you can also move your old cable over and have the same thing. Um, so it's very simple. It can't be simpler than actually this, right? I mean, if we take a look, this is a LC475 board that I've been working on. So we're gonna take this. I'm just gonna leave that right there. We're gonna connect this up. There we go. Nice new connection. I'm gonna connect my SCSI here. I do already have a battery in it because LC475 requires a battery for the video to work. Okay, and we turn it on. Oh, I forgot to connect the speaker for you. Let's connect that so you can hear what's going on. There's the chime. Blue SCSI's, oh, blue SCSI is flashing. Give me 1 second here. So we get the chime. We have the two red lights here for the video. We have the red light on the power supply. And we have the Mac booting up. Let me show you from this camera. And there we are. So this is a very nice, simple little replacement power supply. And it works on the LC models and any other ones that use the small little pizza box power supply or pizza box case. There you are. So we've gone from this to that. So overall, that is a huge improvement. And I guess I can sell four. Because I'm going to have more coming. So I will add four. I will put these on the website. So you can go to kmacvintage.com if you're interested in one of these. I'm not going to ship them right away because I'm waiting for my cable to come in and the proper crimping tool for me to make these. Or I can send it without it, and then you can just reuse your original. So I will have four of them available. This one here, I'm going to take this cable off, and because it's a little bit too thick. This is actually a 16 gauge wire, and I bought 22 gauge coming now. Or is it 18? One of those I got coming now. That's going to use for this. So anyway, folks, that's it for this video. I don't want to make it very long, but I just wanted to show you all what our new product, what our improved product is. And again, this is it here. It's a very simple little power supply replacement board. Technically, this goes upside down in here because it attaches to the other board. So it will be in the case like actually this, and then the other one will be on it. So a very nice little nifty upgrade to our power supply. I'm bad with a camera placement. So anyway, so folks, that's it. I'm gonna tell you thank you for watching this. I hope that this new product or this enhanced product can benefit a lot of people. It's kind of nice to have something more modern and simple to put in there. lot of us have bombed power supplies. That acid has eaten so much of it, and now we have a very easy solution that we can use to make this better. So, if you can, leave me your feedback. You can go to the website kmacvintage.com and you can find this item to purchase. Like I said, right now I only have four of them. I only have four made. I've got new boards on the way. I need to buy some more of the Meanwells. Please do be aware that this price is not going to be very cheap. It's going to be, I would say, somewhere between the $40 to $55 range because these Meanwells are not that cheap. They are a bit costlier to buy, and then I have to ship it all to Cayman, and then I have to build it here, and then I gotta ship it back out. So there is a little bit of cost there involved with that. But yeah, leave me your comments, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subbed to the channel, please actually sub. There's my doggy walking in the background. And thank you for watching, folks. Alrighty, bye bye.